All right, hey guys. We're going to be doing addition and subtraction and regrouping to figure them out. All right, so for our first problem, we have 2 plus 9, and I put them into their ones blocks right here. So we have 2 blocks here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks there. So if we take and want to add all of these 1 digits here, we're going to have to add these 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to put it in a whole block. Alright, so here's a block for you. These are 10 digits. So there's 10 blocks in that one. And then we have 1 left over, this 1 block. Alright, so we have to take one of these blocks and bring it down here. So if we have 10 plus 1 block, we're going to be left with 11. So that one was pretty easy. So let's try a little bit of a harder one. Alright, now we have 14 plus 17. Alright, so you see we have another 10 block here in the tens place. We have 1 10, and then we have 4 individual blocks here, so that equals 14. And then for 17, we have 1 tens blocks here, 1 10 in the tens place, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones in the ones place. Alright, so if we want to add these two, let's take all of these 1 digits first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 already. So now we have to create another tens block. So here's another tens block. So let's add it to this side. And now we have 1 ones left over. So now we have to take one of these ones over here, duplicate it, and then we have 1 ones left. So if you have 11 all on this one side, we have to carry the 1 from the tens over to this side. So now we have 3 tens left over. So now we have 3 tens left over on this side. 1, 2, 3. So if we add all of these bottom blocks together, we're going to get 3 and a 1, so 31. Alright, now let's do some subtraction. This problem you could probably even do with your fingers, but we can try to show you again with the blocks how this could be done. So let's match these 4 blocks up to these 6 blocks here in the ones place. Alright, so if we take this block and take away that block here, we're going to be left, we take away these 4, we're going to be left with 2 blocks over. So you see how I did that? I matched the 4 blocks with the 6 to see that we have 2 left over. 1, 2. Alright, that one was pretty easy. So let's go on to the next one. It's going to be a little bit harder. So now we have 1 whole 10, a 1 in the 10 spot, and then 2 in the 1 spot to make 12. And then for 8, we have 8 in the 1 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so now if we match these blocks up to this, we're going to see that we have only 2 in the ones places. So we have 1, 2 taken away. But now we have 6 blocks left over. So we're gonna have to match it over to the 1 or the 10 spot over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so now we can see we have 4 blocks left over once we have matched all these blocks up. We took away 2 of the 8, and then we took away 8 or 6 over here. So that means we have these 4 blocks left over. So we have 4 blocks now. All right. So 12 minus 8 then would leave us with 4.